welcome back to Keto Naturopath Kitchen. Today I'm very excited to show you this very simple peanut butter cookie. I love peanut butter and I don't have it very often. I made this about around my birthday time because I felt like having peanut butter cookies. It's 2 ingredients, people. 2 ingredients. Amazing. It's peanut butter and eggs. You can add sweetener if you want. I don't really like things very sweet. You can add chocolate chips if you want, and I do. So you start off with 1 cup of peanut butter. And this is a cup that I had left in this jar. So 1 jar, 16-ounce jar of peanut butter is 2 cups. So you can make 2 of these recipes out of 1 jar. You can use almond butter, you can use sun butter, you can use cashew butter. Yes, I'm going to use my finger. If you use sun butter, you probably might need some sweetener because sun butter is a little more bitter than peanut butter or almond butter. As I said, you can add sweetener. I don't. No sugar added peanut butter, so there's no sugar in the peanut butter either. If you have kids and you buy a regular peanut butter that has a little bit of sugar in it, this would be a very easy way to make peanut butter cookies. You can add 1 or 2 eggs. Last time I made this, I made it with 1 egg and it was amazing. They were a little flaky right out of the oven, but once they were stored in an airtight container, they were perfect. But today, I'm going to try it with 2 eggs just to see the difference. I think they might come out a little more cakier with 2 eggs, but I don't know. So this is a perfect way for me to try the difference. And then you just mix it up. And you're going to say, how does this mix up into a dough? When I first made it, I'm like, oh my gosh, this isn't going to work. And it did. It worked really well. Just incorporate the egg and the peanut butter. So it might take a while to mix in and be the consistency of a cookie dough. But how easy is this? Peanut butter and egg. That's it. That is all you need. Okay, so I'm going to save my spoon because I will add chocolate chips later. I have a baking sheet that's parchment lined. I have a 1½ tablespoon cookie dough scoop, and you don't need the scoop. You can use it without the scoop. I'm just going to make a couple, and now I'm going to be adding chocolate chips. These are milk chocolate chips from Bake Believe, Clean Keto. I get them at Walmart. You can get them on Amazon. I'll have a link to Amazon because not every Walmart has them. I don't measure them. I just pour in some till it looks about right. Because who doesn't like peanut butter and chocolate? These would be perfect like an Easter dessert, peanut butter and chocolate. So I'll continue scooping these out, but then I'm going to do 3. But before I scoop them all out, then you flatten them as you would any peanut butter cookie with the fork. So you don't have to stand there and watch me. I'm going to finish scooping them out, and then I'm going to put them in a 350-degree oven for 12 minutes. So we will be back. Peanut butter cookies are out of the oven, but before we try the peanut butter cookies, I want to tell you about a new product I just discovered. It's Gold's Chocolate, and I asked them for a sample because I won't recommend anything that I haven't tried myself, and I have to love it or I don't recommend it. The sweetener here is allulose. I normally have issues with allulose. I can eat 1 or 2 pieces of this chocolate with no problem. And it's, my opinion, better than erythritol. So they sent me this. I think it's the Valentine's package. It came with a little bow. The packaging is amazing. And there are 3 kinds of chocolate: pistachio, sea salt, and hazelnut. We tried them all. Dr. Carl loves these too, and they're just delicious. We had them first on Friday night. We got them on Friday, and Fridays we normally have our bottle of Dry Farm wine, and it's winter, so we're drinking red Dry Farm wine. These chocolates and Dry Farm red wine together, oh my goodness, they were so, so good. So I'm going to have links to both of them. Yes, they're affiliate links. I do not have many affiliate links because I have to really love the product. So now we're going to taste the cookies. I took them out of the oven, let them cool for a couple minutes, put them on a wire rack to completely cool. Once they're completely cooled, I'll put them in an airtight container. And now, oh, I can't wait to try these. For me, no sweetener is needed. If you put in the chocolate chips, it adds a little bit of sweetness. I don't see much difference between the 1 and 2 eggs, so in the future I'm going to stick with 1 egg. Oh, this is so good. You need to try this. Your kids will love this, and it's easy. 2 ingredients. Try it.